Today our lesson is time, that is under part 2. Now look at the clock face here. What's the time now? Yes, time is 12 o'clock. We'll think the time is 12 o'clock, that is midnight. The time is 12 o'clock. Then when we are writing in 12-hour clock time, it is 12. When in 24 o'clock hour time, that is a new beginning, it is like this. Think about, that is 12 midnight. Then when the minute hand pointed towards 1, that is 12:05 a.m. We learn that is from midnight to till 12 noon in earlier lesson. We write as a.m. Then we write the time in, this is 24-hour clock time. Here 12-hour clock time. We write as this. Now it is a new day, that is 12:05. That means 5 minutes past. Then we'll think about 4 a.m. Then we write the time as 4 hours. Must be 4 numbers and hours. Think about 7 a.m. That is in 12-hour clock time. We write in 24-hour clock time, that is 7 hours like this. Okay. Then when it becomes 11:30 a.m. yes, in 24 o'clock hour time, we write it as this. Okay. Then this is 12-hour clock time, that is 12. Then after 12, after 1 hour past 12, in 24-hour clock time, it becomes 13. 2 means 14, 3, 15 hours, 4 means 16 hours past, 5 o'clock means 17 hours past, this is 18 hours, 19, 20 hours, 21 hours past, 22 hours, 23 hours. When it becomes 12, that is 24 hours. That is the 24-hour clock time. Now we'll write here from 11:30 a.m. We wrote like that. Then we'll think about 12 noon. That is, we are writing, that is noon. We are writing in digital time like this. 12. Okay. When the time is 2:05 p.m. we learn why do we write p.m. afternoon. Post meridian we write p.m. That means after 12. Then we write in 24-hour clock time. That is 2 means 14 hours past and 5 minutes. 14 hours and 5 minutes. We'll write 8:30 p.m. That means 8 means how many hours? 20 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, then we'll write another time. We'll think about 10:45 p.m. 10 means 22 hours and 45 minutes. 22, 45 hours. 22 hours and 45 minutes. Then we'll write 11:30. 11:30, that is PM. 11:30 PM we write as 11 means 23 hours past and 30 minutes. When it becomes 12 midnight, 12 midnight, we write as this. When it becomes 12:05, that is AM. From earlier lesson we learned from 12 midnight till 12 noon we use as centimeridian before noon, that is AM. That means 5 minutes past. That is a new day, right? Okay, then we can write again after 12:05, 7 AM. We are writing like this, 7 hours. Then think about the time is 10 AM. Then how are we going to write in digital time? That is 10, like this. I think you got a good knowledge about 12-hour clock time and 20-hour clock time. Now we'll see, look at this clock. Now what's the time? That is, time is 1 o'clock. We'll think 1 o'clock in the morning. Then how are we going to write this in digital time? That is the standard time we use. Yes, 1 o'clock in the morning we are writing like this. We'll think the time is now 8 o'clock in the morning. That is in the morning. In the morning. Then how are we going to write in digital time or 24-hour clock time? That is 8 hours. This is in 24-hour clock time. Now we'll think the time is 1 o'clock. Time is 1 PM. Afternoon. Time is 1 PM. Then how are we going to write that? Write the time in 24-hour clock time, 1 PM. That means 1 PM means already past 1 hour. That is 13 hours. 3 PM. That means how many hours pass? That is 15 hours. Think about 6 PM. Then how are we going to write in 24-hour clock time? That is 18 hours. Now the time is 10:30 PM. That is 10:30 PM. How are we going to write in 24-hour clock time? 10 means 22 hours past and 30 minutes. This is the time. I think you got a good knowledge about under 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. You can subscribe my channel, then you will get all the lessons.